right, we got the old Onan DJB 6.0 back from Nolt's Electric Service after they rewound the field windings in this thing after I accidentally killed it. And he wasn't able to, mess with the fuel system and run it or anything. So it's the 4th of July. This thing's nice and loud. I figured we'll test it today. Up to the breaker. So we'll check the voltage and the frequency. The breaker's off right now. Should probably connect the battery too. Just because. Let's see what happens. Sounds like it wants to go. Well, seems to work just like it's supposed to. All right, maybe we'll do a load test. All right, we're going to try to do a little load test on this here generator. Now we got it back working again.